So here it is, guys. You clearly wanted to see more of what I'm giving away just for subscribing to my Instagram channel for 99p. Really, guys, want any one of these outfits, and I've still got more to go. This is just another small sample of what I'm giving away. But guys, for 99p, just for 1 month, and this is what you could have. Any one of these, plus any one of the others that I've shown you, along with other freebies that I'm giving away. Take a look. Literally, guys, how silly is it? For 99p. It's a throwaway item. Just think about it. You could even give it away to somebody else if you're a photographer and you know a model that you'd like to see in it. Or if you just want to use it for once. And oh my God, I've got so many of these. I think I've got about 8 of them, all different sizes. Well, all different styles. Take a look, guys. Check out my Instagram page for 99p, and this is also included.